On today's menu, a stupendous recipe that's easy and delicious. Vegan Moroccan chickpea stew.
Lei Hong Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. If you like easy and simple recipes like I do, be sure to check out and download your free ebook that I put together just for you that has 5 easy, delicious, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. You can download that here or a link in the description box below. Now just with a few spices and a few ingredients, you can put together this easy, absolutely incredibly delicious soup.
3 red onions, diced. Five pieces of garlic, finely chopped. 1 large sweet potato, cubed. Stock pot, medium heat, 3 tablespoons olive oil, onions and garlic, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon chili powder, generous tablespoon sweet paprika, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, stir. Few sprigs fresh thyme, sweet potato, 2 cans chickpeas, 1 800ml can San Marzano tomatoes. Crush the tomatoes to release its juices. Pour in 2 cans worth of water. Three teaspoons pink salt. Turn up the heat and bring to a boil, then simmer on medium for 15 minutes.
Alright, so this looks like a lot of collard greens, 2 big bunches. But trust me, it basically just disintegrates when you put it into that hot soup. Just roll it all up like a giant green burrito. Then right, so I've received some questions on if I get paid by Zwilling, the German knife company, for using a lot of their products, and sadly, I do not. Maybe one day, but in the meantime, how this small cooking show generates revenue is through the ebook or the print book version of this vegan ramen cookbook that I published not too long ago, and you can get your copy in the link above or a link in the description box below. Shameless plug over, let's check out that amazing soup.
Greens.
Now this part is optional, but I really enjoy these. This is about a 1/4 cup of sweet dried raisins.
Transfer 3 cups of soup into the blender and blend on medium-high. Pour the blend back into the soup, give it a good stir, and it's done. Plate. Parsley. You can now make this easy and delicious recipe with absolute confidence.
That is so incredibly easy to make. My gosh, that is restaurant quality right there. That tastes like a party I would like to attend. That is really incredible. I mean, just packed with flavor from all those spices. The chickpeas gives it that nice texture. You get some of the greens from the collard greens, and just has that beautiful tomato base. Just adds so much flavor and body. That is really, really incredible. Definitely have to try making this. Just amazing. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. This is what happens when you film a lot. You're supposed to dice them instead of slice them, but it's a good thing I have a lot of red onions.